Okay, few questions are asked on porphyrias. So, Uroporphyrinogen. Uroporphyrinogen first synthase. Uroporphyrinogen first synthase is deficient in acute intermittent porphyria. Question. Uroporphyrinogen 1 synthase is deficient in acute intermittent porphyria. Uroporphyrinogen third synthase is deficient in congenital erythropoietic porphyria, CEP. Yes, congenital erythropoietic porphyria. Okay, third looks like E, so we make mnemonic. Third synthase deficient in congenital erythropoietic porphyria. First looks like I. First synthase deficient in acute intermittent porphyria. Now uroporphyrinogen same. Decarboxylase. Uroporphyrinogen decarboxylase is deficient in porphyria cutanea tarda. Yes, porphyria cutanea tarda. Yes, decarboxylase means decarboxylation means removal of CO2. Yes, निमोनिक बना सकते हैं कट किया तोड़ा क्यूटेनिया टार्डा काटा तोड़ा क्या CO2. Okay, so decarboxylase means decarboxylase is deficient in cutanea tarda. Only one decarboxylase is deficient, that is deficient in cutanea tarda, porphyria cutanea tarda. Okay, now in place of uro you will write copro. This portion is same, coproporphyrinogen. Yes, uroporphyrinogen. In place of uro, now we put coproporphyrinogen oxidase. Is deficient in hereditary coproporphyria. Hereditary coproporphyria. Now, yes, hereditary coproporphyria, oxidase deficient. In place of copro, proto porphyrinogen. This porphyrinogen is same. Okay, oxidase is deficient in variegate porphyria. Okay, protoporphyrinogen oxidase deficient in variegate porphyria. Simple concept is that, or simple mnemonic is that, yes, first I, First synthase, intermittent porphyria. Third synthase, congenital erythropoietic porphyria. Decarboxylase, Cutanea tarda. Two oxidase are deficient. If coproporphyrinogen oxidase is deficient, that is hereditary coproporphyria. If protoporphyrogen oxidase is deficient, that is variegate porphyria. Clear? Now, one more. Ferrochelatase. Ferrochelatase is deficient in erythropoietic porphyria. Point it out. This was congenital erythropoietic porphyria. This is erythropoietic porphyria. So differentiate between these two. In congenital erythropoietic porphyria, third synthase deficient. In erythropoietic porphyria, ferrochelatase is deficient. So these are common enzyme deficiency in porphyrias. Questions are asked. Clear? Okay. Now we start with next topic, that is lipid.